Do you ever just wish that there was an easy way to make some extra cash? Well, if you do, then you're watching the perfect video. ChatGPT is here to save the day and your wallet. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to earn an easy $5 every 30 seconds using ChatGPT bot. And the best part, nobody talks about this secret money-making method, so you'll be one of the first to make money from it. How? Well, I'm about to break down the nitty-gritty details for you in this video. So be sure to pay attention to every minute right until the end, because every detail is super important for you to make cash with this method. Get ready to say goodbye to being broke and hello to some extra cash in your pocket. So, ChatGPT is pretty cool and can help you make some serious cash. In this video, the first thing I'll do is show you around ChatGPT for those of you who might not have come across it before, or for those of you who aren't confident in using it. I'll teach you exactly what you need to know. This AI bot is free, and people are even saying it's going to replace Google, so you know it's legit. Plus, it can literally do anything. I'll even show you 3 different examples of how you can use ChatGPT. But remember, I'm not even scratching the surface of ChatGPT's potential in this video. I'm also going to be showing you an incredible way to use ChatGPT to make some cold hard cash, which I know you're gonna love. So, if you want to learn how to make money with ChatGPT, just Google it, open it up, and let's get cracking. The very first thing that you want to do is sign up for a ChatGPT account. And that's very simple. You just need to provide some basic information, and just like that, you now have access to a revolutionary AI tool that has been blowing everyone's minds recently. And by the way, ChatGPT is actually free right now, but it's so incredible that there's a high chance you'll have to pay for it in the future. So be sure to make the most of it while it's free now. Alright, now that we're in the bot, I'm going to show you how it works and what it's capable of. Trust me, this bot is insane. It can pretty much do anything, and it's perfect for making some serious cash. I mean, just watch this. I'm going to ask it to give me 5 video ideas for CPA marketing, and it'll come up with some great ones. And the best part, since it's an AI bot, it'll learn from its mistakes and only get better over time. ChatGPT actually keeps a log of the request that you give it. So, whenever you want it to correct something or do something better, it can respond to feedback instantly, instead of you having to ask it to do something from scratch again. So, here we have some awesome video ideas that this AI bot just generated for us. Check it out. Not only does ChatGPT give you the titles and ideas that you can use, it literally gives you a mini breakdown of what could be in those videos. Those are some killer ideas if you ask me, and super helpful too. Just think about all that time that you can save. But that's not all this bot can do. I just asked it to write an essay on how to lose weight without exercise. And it came back with some solid tips like focusing on your diet, getting enough sleep, managing stress, staying hydrated, and incorporating movement into your daily routine. And get this, you can even tell it to make the essay longer, like up to 500 or even 1,000 words. It's pretty wild how this AI bot can learn from its mistakes and you can actually talk to it like a real person. Let me show you one more example of how amazing this bot is. Check this out. I'll type in, "How do I get more subscribers on my YouTube channel?" And within seconds, it gives me high-quality responses. It's crazy how fast and accurate it is, and people are saying it's even better than Google. You don't have to waste time sifting through long articles with filler text. This bot gives you the straight-to-the-point answers that you need. So, it suggests creating engaging content, using keywords, promoting your channel on social media, collaborating with other creators, responding to comments, and consistently uploading new content. You can ask it anything, and there's so much potential to make money using this bot. Alright, now listen up. I'm about to show you a method that can help you make some serious cash. Since this bot can generate just about anything, we're going to use it to create essays and help students out with their homework. And since not many people know about this yet, we can offer high-quality essays and homework help for an amazing price. We'll be using a website called schoolsolver.com, as well as another site that I'll tell you about later on. So stick around until the end of the video. Okay, so on this website called School Solver, people post their homework questions and are willing to pay for someone to answer them. They'll pay $10, $100, or even $118 for the answers. There are a lot of different types of questions too, like math, English, and physics. So we're going to pick one and answer it. Let's take this one as an example. It's a pretty easy job and pays $5. We just need to describe radicalization and alienation and how they relate to this topic. We'll copy the whole question, go to ChatGPT, and it will generate an essay for us within seconds. Then we could submit it and earn $5 just like that. My tip for you when using School Solver is to just be really friendly and helpful. Just be an active user and you'll be very likely to keep finding the best jobs and keep making money. Now, if that's not your cup of tea, I've got another platform up my sleeves for you. Although for the best results, I'd recommend doing both. So let me show you another cool way to make money using ChatGPT. As you may already know, Fiverr is a fantastic platform that allows you to offer your services and earn some extra cash. Now, by using ChatGPT, you can take your Fiverr gig to the next level and offer highly engaging and well-written blog posts to potential clients. Simply search for blog post on Fiverr and you'll find a whole bunch of sellers offering their services at different price points. Now here's the thing, we have ChatGPT as our secret tool that does all of the work for us in literally just a few minutes. So we can actually offer competitive rates, lower rates than others, and look more attractive to potential buyers. Literally, all you have to do is give ChatGPT a topic and the desired word count, and it will generate an article for you in seconds. Not only is this a great way to compete with other Fiverr sellers, but it also frees up more of your time to focus on other tasks. Plus, you can be confident that the articles generated by ChatGPT are of high quality and engaging. So, don't hesitate to give this method a try and see how it works for you. With a bit of creativity and hard work, you can turn this opportunity into a lucrative side hustle. Remember, taking action is key to success. So, start implementing these methods today. And just before you go, some final words of advice from me. Make sure that your Fiverr profile and gigs are written and presented well, and that you come across as a pro. The easiest way to do this is to use ChatGPT and ask it to write your gig and your information for you. Again, the sky's the limit when it comes to ChatGPT, so I really want you guys to be creative and think of ways to use this AI to make your life easier and full of cash. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the magical powers of ChatGPT. Now get out there and use those powers to zap some cash into your bank. And if you found this video useful, be sure to smash those like and subscribe buttons and comment your thoughts on ChatGPT. We love hearing from you guys. See you next time.